A day after the Maharashtra government passed a breach of privilege motion against columnist Shobha De for her tweets against the Maharashtra government's diktat on screening of Marathi films in multiplexes, the Shiv Sena escalated protests against the columnist.
You have faced a lot of flack for your tweets. In fact, there have been protests. There's one more protest that is still going to be organized. Your reaction?
Well, they have a right to bring protests to my house if they think that's a democratic way of protesting. I have no problem with that at all. Let them protest in the right way. And I have a right also to my own opinion. I would like to repeat over and over again, I have not said anything at all that is anti-Maharashtra or anti-Maharashtrian. I'm a very proud Maharashtrian myself. And since the Shiv Sena has been good enough to send me dahi misal and vada pav as a lunchtime snack, I'm waiting to see what they're going to send at 4 o'clock as a tea time snack.
This is something you have tweeted also. It seems that you're taking it in quite a good spirit.
There is no other way for a private citizen like myself to register any kind of a protest other than with a sense of humor and a sense of balance. And in a democracy, I think it's very, very important that we all speak our minds. So long as it doesn't lead to a law and order situation, so long as I have not used abusive language, I have not insulted anybody, I have merely expressed an opinion about the timing. Not even about, it's not going into whether the multiplexes can or cannot show Marathi films, which under the ruling they are supposed to. And they should. If they have defaulted, they should be punished. That's not the point. I'm talking about an average citizen saying, I can watch a film as and when I choose to. And the government cannot dictate that. They cannot dictate what we should eat, how we should think, what we should feel. That is my only contention.
The final question, it seems that these kind of diktats are increasing in number these days.
Well, intolerance is going up in not just in Mumbai, not just in Maharashtra, but across India. It is something that all of us should be very concerned about and extremely worried about. And someone like myself, as I've repeatedly said, I'm a Mumbaikar, I'm a private citizen. I do not belong to a political party. I do not represent any lobby. And I have expressed my opinion in the past, supporting Marathi cinema all the way, even suggesting that we should send Marathi films as our India's Oscars entry and not some of the Bollywood potboilers that we've sent in the past. So there's no question, if the Shiv Sena is using this opportunity to gain publicity for themselves with the municipal elections coming up, then I think you need to ask them what they're protesting against. There is nothing I have said which is anti-Maharashtra, anti-anybody.